CES 2020 wouldn't be possible without our sponsors, Samsung, Corsair, MSI, and Synology. Yeah, I had to refilm this entire intro because I was calling CES Computex. That's not the first time I've done something like this. What's up, everyone? We're here at the Lian Li Suite. Always gotta swing by Lian Li for CES and Computex. They always have cool stuff coming up and affordable stuff. I know it used to be Lian Li and affordable could never be mixed into the same sentence, but I'm really happy to show you guys some of this stuff. I know Jameson's really proud of the work that they've done as a team, and they just keep impressing me. The Lian Cool 2 was really impressive. The O11 Dynamic was really impressive, their collaboration with their Bauer, but there's even more that we want to show you in this video. So first, you guys know the O11 Dynamic. This is kind of like what set Lian Li off as like an affordable but enthusiast design for a chassis. I've built so many times in this case. If you don't know it by now, I don't know where you've been. This is the O11 Dynamic Mini. Now this has a few things that I do want to show you, including support for apparently up to an ATX motherboard, believe it or not, but there are different configurations you can make here. They actually have a removable panel at the rear that allow you to slide the entire motherboard tray up to make room for a bigger motherboard, if that's your vibe. Or you can stick to something smaller like MATX or ITX and shove a really thick rad or a fan rad combo up here. So that is very cool. You can do a full-on custom loop like they've got in this one here. If you want to get kind of low, you can see, well, it's kind of difficult to see through the glass, but they have a radiator up top with fans, another radiator down below with fans, then they have a radiator against the motherboard tray, just to the right of the motherboard tray, like a typical O11 Dynamic with fans there as well. And they have a fan at the rear. So they have taken the O11 Dynamics DNA and managed to shrink it down so far to the point where I don't think it's possible to get any smaller. And get this, the price of the O11 Dynamic Mini, under 100 bucks. I think it's somewhere around $89 to $99, which if they can pull that off is impressive. This is a totally new stamp process here, and keeping the price in that realm is pretty incredible. Now this is the Lian Cool 315. I love the Lian Cool 2. We just did like a roughly $900 build in one. Check this out, this is so cool. So, looks kind of like the original Lian Cool, let's say the original Lian, looks like the Lian Cool 2, I should say, but there's a key feature that I think is freaking awesome. Yeah, you can actually remove this entire tray. You can build your system in this, and then when it's ready to go, see if I can get it back in here. You just slide it somehow, some way. Yep, there we go, I think. Yeah, look at that. I don't even have words for this. I did not think Lian Li could have pulled this off in the time that they did, given the Lian Cool 2 success. I honestly thought they were going to stick with that. It works. It's affordable. This, though, is just on a whole nother level, and I'm in love with it. So this should be coming to market, actually, I believe, sometime in around May, so stay on the lookout for reviews and builds in this. I could do this all day, folks. All day. Picking up what I'm putting down. Now this is the Strimer Plus. You guys have seen the RGB cables from Lian Li in the past. They've used thinner, actually wire-looking little fiber optic lines, I believe, to kind of encapsulate the light. They just have RGB LEDs baked into this. I think over 120 or something like that individual LEDs in this, and it is freaking insane. Oh yeah, we need to get glasses made.
I feel alive.
All right, and these are the Unifans that Lian Li's been working on for a good while, and I think we saw them the first time at Computex, maybe 2018 or possibly CES 2019. I'm not sure which way I'm supposed to pull these. Maybe Pedro can help me out. Pedro, do you want to like disconnect these? I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, let's do this.
Cool. Oh, you gotta give it a little more oomph. I was missing out on that. Awesome. So you see, totally modular. These fans don't even need cables connected to them because you have these little contact points here on one side of one fan and the contact pins on the other side of the other fan. Line them up like so, slide them in place, PWM control as well as individual RGB LED control. So addressable RGBs, PWM, get the full package. Connect, I don't know what the limit is here, but I think you can connect like 4 or 5 or something like that together.
There's a power limit
right.
to 5, yeah, 5 or 6.
Something like that, but still cool. It's a really cool idea, and these are coming to market very soon, so stay tuned for those. We've also got the Rgb software here, so you can control both the fan speed as well as the RGB effects. So we want to do something like, I don't know what the heck Meteor is. Let's do Meteor. And click apply. And there you go. There's the Meteor effect. So they've worked out the software. That's the other half of the equation, and that's another reason why you're going to see these on the market very soon. And staying true to their original name, we've got a fully aluminum chassis here, the Odyssey X. We showcased it, I believe, at Computex 2019. If you didn't see it from us, I'm sure you saw it somewhere else because this case is insane. It's got actually expandable doors on either side. You can totally reorient the case where it's longer on its side than it is tall. There's a lot that, yeah, we could put a whole video on this case if you really wanted, but this is not coming out for a few more months, I believe. So when we get our hands on one of these, we'll show you all it can do. But yeah, Lian Lee's flexing their muscles a bit, offering much more value-oriented cases, but also showing that they still can stay true again to that original form. Odyssey X is one of those cases that is going to catch anyone's eye he or she walks into the room. Really excited to be here again in the Lian Lee suite. Always a great host. And hoping that we can get our hands on most, if not all of these cases. I kind of want all of them, so we can build on all of them and tell you about how enjoyable or potentially unenjoyable they are. That's the point of a review, point of a build. Stay tuned for all that. I have a good feeling, though, most of these cases are going to be friggin' awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. My name's Greg. Thanks for learning with me.